Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how can we apply border radius on text field. If I try to apply border radius on text field directly, let's see what will happen there. I have a text field. If I show you that, this is my text field with placeholder, color primary. Here's applying class name, text field. Okay. Now if I apply border radius, I am going to say border distance. Let's see what will happen there. If I say Control S, nothing is happening there. Now how can we apply border radius on text field? If I try it on field set, border radius 40, 30, Control S. Now it is round now. We need to use field set to apply border radius. Thank you for watching.